Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this video, it's something different. I'm gonna show you guys how you can make money by buying and selling those products inside of Temu or Temu. I don't know how you pronounce it, but sounds like that. I saw a lot of people doing, buying inexpensive or cheap products inside of Temu, and then they resell it to other social media, or they're doing their live selling. And you can find some products inside of Temu that you can find on Amazon or you can find in Etsy, same product but the price is different. So that means that they get something from Temu and then they bring it to Etsy or Amazon or eBay and resell it. Let's see. Okay, let's learn what is Temu. And I ordered 2 products from Temu, but it didn't come yet. So once the product comes, I'm gonna show you guys how the product looks like, the quality of it, and the price. So if you are interested to use Temu for your business or start a small business using Temu, stay into this video until the end. Without further ado, let's go to my computer and I'll show you what is Temu. We are now in Temu, and if you are new to this website, then just go ahead, create an account and sign in. So if you're not familiar with Temu, it is an online marketplace with insanely low prices on everything from home goods, gadgets, and name it, guys. So you just scroll down here, guys, and you can see all the items that you might be interested to buy and sell. There's so many items here that you might like it to start on, and then just keep scrolling here. In this site, you will see there are a lot of things that are so cheap that you can start to buy and sell. Look at this. It's a pair of 5 cartoon cute socks or animal pattern socks, and it's only cost like 243. It's like less than $3. All right, so in Japanese yen it's 243 because I'm in Japan, so I converted it to yen. But if you are in other country, you can convert it in your own currency. And then the only tip that I want to share with you guys is look for the products at under $10 so that you can sell it for 20, you can sell it for 25 or 30, you can double it or triple it. But look at this. This is 5 pairs, guys. 5 pairs is only cost like 243 yen, which is in dollars is like $3 or something. It depends on the rate. And if you scroll down here, there are 3,481 reviews, 4.9 stars, and you keep on scrolling and read the reviews. So if you decided to get this item to buy and then you sell it, and then it's time for you to set up your store, you can keep on scrolling and find the items that you want. And one tip that I want to share with you guys, if you are just getting started, find a product that is less than $10. Depends on your money currency. So this 5 pairs of socks is 243 or $3 something. It's less than $10. So you can make money. You can sell this for $5 or $7 or maybe $10 for 5 pair, right? So this is a good choice if you want to start this. And there you go, there are cute cartoon characters here. There you go. This is how it looks like from the front and at the back, and there you go. So this is how it looks like. If you want to get this product, you can also screenshot this. You can see the product image, so that when you do your online selling, then you can show the product and how it looks like. And then the next thing that you're going to do is setting up your store or start selling your product to other platform, which is like Etsy, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, TikTok. So create a catchy title or name that makes sure that your product photos are high quality. Once your store is live, now it's time for you to market your products. Use Instagram, use TikTok, Facebook Marketplace, or Etsy or eBay or other platforms. And then you can create also a short engaging videos, talk about the product, why is it useful. So it's all about storytelling about the product that you want to sell. All right, so if we go back here, then you can still find more or other things like this one. These are keychains, so a 5-pack also. It's a pack of keychain, and it costs $362, which is under $5, and there are 976 reviews and all 5 stars. Read all the reviews before you decide to get this to use for your buy and sell business. So they have 3 designs that you can choose for your keychain if you are a teacher, and that costs like $394 for 5 pieces. All right, so you see guys, you get very, very cheap items, and then you can also sell this for your own store. And once you open your store, and then now you can start your own business by going to Temu, find the items that you want, your niche, and go buy and sell it. And now there you have it. With just a bit of research, some smart shopping on Temu, and then now you can start your small business at home. So what product or niche you are thinking about to try it out? So if you have any idea, just let me know down in the comments. I'm so excited to know what niche or what items or products that you want to start to do your own buy and sell business. And don't forget, share these videos so that other people that want to start a small business online, maybe they can go to Temu, try this Temu, and find the things or items that you want to start to buy and sell. And yeah, so for those who are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video for more tips on starting your own small business journey. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.